Today we're gonna install a dash cam, and I'll show you the best way to do it on a CL600. This is a C215 CL600. I would assume it's the same for the 65. I don't believe it's the same though for like a CL55 or 500, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do. All right, first we have to take this off. So we're gonna pull this back. There we go. Easy peasy. And we gotta pop this cover. I need two hands. All right, so once you pop that out, in this car you have this. So we gotta figure out what goes on once we have power. And I already installed that little piece right here, so I pick up the ground. All right, so I established that number 86 is, it turns on with the ignition. It's a 15 amp, right? So I got this adapter, and the first one is for the original circuit, right? So 86, this was the 15 amp, and I put a fuse in for this tail. So in essence, all we're gonna do is, this particular dash cam I got, which is a Garmin, it has this piece here. So I gotta put this in here and attach this to ground, and then this side goes to here, and then we'll call it a day. And then run our cable and mount our camera. I'll be back. All right, I figured while I'm in there, there's a little KO seal here. So I just drew a charger in there so I don't have to use this thing anymore. And then I got this connected. I got this piece here. So now I'm just gonna plug this stuff in. I'm gonna tape it so it stays nice and sturdy. And I'll be right back. All right, that's it. I'll just got to detail this car today anyway. But she's in, she's all closed up. Routed the cable here. I couldn't really tuck it in here. I'll get it in there a little bit later. I gotta get a little pry and push it in there a little bit better. But there's the Garmin. I did the Garmin Mini, so you really can't even see it. But listen, it's 2026. You know, you need a dash camera. And then, as I said, I put the charger into here. So if I need to charge my phone, it's there. But that's that. Simple, easy peasy. You got any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you.